The ovule of an angiosperm is technically equivalent to option A, megaspore mother cell. It is incorrect because the megaspore mother cell is a single diploid cell inside the ovule that undergoes meiosis to produce 4 haploid megaspores. So it is only a part of the ovule and it is not equivalent to the entire ovule. Option B, megaspore. It is also incorrect because it is a haploid cell that develops from the megaspore mother cell after meiosis. And it is one of the cells within the ovule, but does not represent the ovule as a whole. Option C, megasporangium. The ovule in angiosperm is equivalent to the megasporangium as it contains the structures that is responsible for producing and housing the female gametophyte, that is the embryo sac. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, megasporophyll. It is also incorrect because it refers to the leaf-like structure, that is carpel in angiosperm that bears the ovules.